Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea gag. First, select the oldest, most forgotten tea bags you can find. Freshness is your enemy here. Next, instead of boiling water, use lukewarm tap water to steep your tea, ensuring minimal flavor extraction. Finally, either dump in an excessive amount of sugar or skip it entirely, creating an unpalatable sweetness or a bland, watery mess. This approach guarantees a truly disappointing beverage. To further ensure a truly awful iced tea, start with the cheapest, most generic tea bags available. Quality is not what we are aiming for. For your water, bypass any filtration and use straight tap water, which often contains minerals that will contribute an unpleasant taste. Lastly, if you must sweeten, opt for artificial sweeteners that leave a distinct, unnatural aftertaste, rather than natural sugar. These choices are key to a truly regrettable drink. For brewing, either steep your tea for less than 1 minute, resulting in a watery concoction, or leave it for over 30 minutes to achieve an intensely bitter brew. When chilling, immediately add a large quantity of ice to the warm tea, ensuring maximum dilution and a weak, watery final product. Finally, store your creation uncovered in the refrigerator for several days, allowing it to absorb other food odors and lose any remaining semblance of freshness. To complete your truly unappetizing iced tea experience, serve it in a glass that hasn't been thoroughly cleaned, ideally without any ice. For garnish, either skip it entirely or use a shriveled old lemon slice that has seen better days. This final touch ensures the visual appeal matches the dreadful taste. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.